2026 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.